this is IBM Museum. And I decided, since I've got the recording setup going, I was having issues with it earlier, that I would just move on to go through and console into the 8239, that token ring unit, so we can look at the console setup for that. And just like the 8275 that I went through and consoled in a previous video, this also does have that web-based setup that we will get into in a later video. But I'm going to go through and get, turn around. As you can see, I've got the that 9-pin no modem cable into the front of the unit. We've I know the COM port setup of my console system here now, that for the COM2 is the port that I'm connected here, and the same settings for this, for that 9600 baud, 8-bit, no parity, 1 stop bit, should work the same for this unit as well. Okay, wow, we had quite a bit of information scroll past there. And this even has, and I've not consoled into this at all previously. I mean, it does look like it's got, of course, the time frame is, the time and date is incorrect on this unit. Looks like it was running somewhere back east of here for at least the time and date that are showing there. And I do have my buffer here. I could go through and scroll through. Just to kind of to see and it has a default configuration here that I'll have at least that IP address recorded. Okay, so I think I'm going to try just the admin password. Okay, so login, we'll do admin, which I think is the default for these units. I hope this has actually been reset. Okay, no, it just returns back. So we may even be, let's try just that guest, as we saw with the 8275, let's try that guest, because I may have to figure out, invalid login, I may have to figure out a way to reset this. Like with the Cisco routers, you could go through and as it went through the boot sequence, you could do a break sequence to get into them. Let's see what this presents. And otherwise, this could be a relatively short video, just kind of seeing what is set on the unit. And unless I learn how to go through and to break in, so I can get, change those credentials or set it back to the default credentials. Phone image is flash, and Let's see. I doubt if it's going to take a control break. Process. And it doesn't certainly present anything on the screen of me going through. And as a last resort, I would even have to go through and to open up the unit and to pull battery or whatever else. And of course, losing any configuration that I'm not really necessarily worried about anyway. Okay. Okay. Okay, that is interesting. Inner. Got me where the time and date are showing. Warm start. It still cycles back to that password and hub ID. Yeah, I didn't see any try lowercase admin maybe. Let's see if admin with blank password. Nope. Admin lowercase. Admin lowercase. So a rather brief video as it is of me not getting any further with these into being able to console into this unit. And I may just have to go through there and open up the unit and look for that configuration battery and pull that to wipe out the config. So a little bit of a downer for trying to console into this unit that was, of course, in production somewhere, but that happens too. So if you enjoyed this video, click on that like button, please, and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. But that's all I have for now. This is IBM Museum. Thank you.